Silver just hit a record high near $95 an ounce, and it's still trading around $94 to $95. That's not a normal move, and it raises a real question. Is silver heading to $100 next, or are we setting up for a hard pullback? Stay tuned, and we'll look at 3 possible price prediction scenarios based on current real-world drivers. As always, this is not financial advice, and this information is for educational purposes only. Before we go further, I want your take. What do you think is driving silver more right now? Drop a comment if you think it's industry demand, fear, geopolitics, the dollar, or manipulation. Let's get into it. Right now, silver is trading around $94 to $95 per ounce, after briefly touching a record near $95.87. That tells us 2 things. 1, this move is big and unusual. 2, the market hasn't instantly rejected higher prices, and that matters. What's actually driving silver? The big 3. 1, the macro backdrop: rates, the dollar, and uncertainty. Silver tends to do well when investors expect rates to fall, when the US dollar weakens, and when there's economic or geopolitical uncertainty. Right now, all 3 are in play. And that's one reason silver and gold have been strong at the same time. 2, silver isn't just a safe haven. This part gets overlooked. Silver isn't only something people buy when they're nervous. It's also used heavily in solar panels, electronics, electric vehicles, data centers, and power systems. So silver benefits from real-world demand, not just fear or speculation. That can support the price, but it also adds a different kind of risk, and we'll get to that. 3, supply can't respond quickly. Unlike stocks or crypto, silver supply can't suddenly surge just because the price goes up. Most silver is produced as a byproduct of other mining, so even if prices jump, miners can't just flip a switch and flood the market. When demand rises faster than supply can adjust, prices can move fast, both up and down. What could break this rally? Now the risks, because silver is famous for giving with one hand and taking with the other. Here are the big downside triggers. If the US dollar strengthens, silver often struggles. If rates stay higher for longer, silver can lose appeal. If global growth slows, industrial demand can weaken. And after a record move, profit-taking and pullbacks are normal. Silver doesn't usually drift lower gently. It can drop fast. Now let's explore some possible price ranges. This is the most important part. Please remember, these are scenarios, not predictions carved in stone. 1, bullish scenario: $100 to $110. This happens if rate cut expectations stay alive and the dollar stays soft, investor interest stays strong, and industrial demand holds up. In that case, silver could push into triple digits, at least briefly. 2, base case, most likely, $85 to $100. Here, silver digests recent gains, swings around a lot and holds key levels, but doesn't go vertical. That's a cool-off phase, not a collapse. 3, bearish scenario: $70 to $85. This happens if the dollar strengthens meaningfully and rate cuts get pushed further out, industrial demand weakens, or investors rush to lock in profits. It would feel painful, but in silver terms, it can be a normal correction, not a disaster. Key takeaways: silver at $95 is a signal, and the question now isn't whether silver can move, it's what needs to stay true for it to keep moving. Watch the dollar, watch rates, watch industrial demand. If those stay supportive, silver stays in play. If they change, so does the story. Thank you for watching, and please support the channel. Hit that subscribe. This is not financial advice. Do your own research.